Hello traders. Today in this video I will share how to identify your stop loss, how to know your stop loss. It's very important. Most important, whenever you are taking any trade, you should know your stop loss and at the same time you have to implement your stop loss. It's must for trading profession. So never forget this because it's very important. It can save your money from drastic. So always remember that whenever you are going to take any trade at the same time, first of all, you have to identify your stop loss. And whenever you to take any trade at the same time, you have to implement your stop loss. That's it. You done your 50% work. Now 50% work will be balanced. You have to manage your trade. And whenever you stock reach as per your exit strategy, at the same time, you have to exit from the stock. That's it. So today in this video, I will share the importance of your logical trade. So this is the chart of Infi and this is the chart for 3rd Feb. So you can see that. I hope you can see the movement of cursor. You can see that there is a bearish elephant bar candle which crossed 20-day simple moving average line on the downside, and the second candle crossed the low of this bearish candle. So at the same time, as per our strategy, we have to take a sale call. So we should take a sale call on this point. We should add our stop loss on the top of the first candle, this candle on top, and we have to continue move with the stock. But you can see that the second candle first it went on the downside and then it is going on the upside. So going on the upside, you are fired. When it reach on this point, you more ahead. When it reach on this point, you exit your trade. This is the biggest mistake. This is the blunder. This is the common mistake which maximum trader are doing. We have to avoid this mistake. If we want to do it professionally, then we have to avoid this type of nonsense from our trade. If we add our stop loss in this point, then there is no need to be exit from the trade on this point. Why we are exiting? Why we are afraid? Why we are not giving respect to our hard work? Why we are not giving respect to our strategy? This is the reason. This is the cause why we always getting lost from the market. You can see that stock is moving on the upside. There's no need to be worried. It's free zone for the stock to move on this side. You took a high probability trade. You have to respect. You have to give the respect to your trade. I am not saying that it cannot hit your stop loss. It can, but the possibility is very less. Number first. Number second. Just assume that it hit your stop loss out of 10 trade. If it hit one trade, then what the issue? You lose only one bar. First of all, do hard work, make your strategy. Number second, do back testing of your strategy. Number third, when you are completely satisfied, then you have to implement your strategy. At that time, you will not do a single things out of your strategy. That's it. So on this point, there is no need to be worry. No need to be exit from the trade. You put your stop loss on this point on the top of the first candle, your game is over. There no need to be do any R&D on this portion. You have to wait and watch. That's it. Now you can see that stock move on this side and then back to the downside. Moving on the downside, and then you can see that it reach it breaks this spot level on decisive way. So there is no need to be exit from the trade on this level. If it takes spot on this point, then we will exit. Now it no took spot on this level, then we have to continue with the stock till the moment. Now you can see the stock is moving on the downside and it taking spot on 200-day line. Then you have to book your profit on this point. You have to exit from the trade on this point, and you have to enjoy your trade. That's it. No need to be feel fear. No need to be greedy. You have to do. You have to implement your strategy. That's it. It's your role that you have to implement your strategy. This is the only things I want to share through this video. Respect your hard work, respect your strategy, respect your stop loss, respect your knowledge. Then only you can do anything in your life. Thank you, guys. Thank you very much.